Great. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. Just starting today.
Okay,
So, Hassan, what will we learn about today in today's PHP lesson?
yeah. Today we are going to learn to the nested loop. Last day we have learned if statement. Now we will learn today if else statement to solving any problem. Okay, so
Okay,
let's get started.
great.
Okay.
So, we've already got XAMPP fired up. XAMPP is necessary for PHP.
Yeah.
And we've got Sublime Text. We need to do screen share. Here we go. So let's erase from last time, last lesson.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Just you can delete it. That's inside.
Aha.
We are working with this three variable.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So today we are going to learn something new.
Woohoo.
Okay. We can learn today if else if else if else
Conditionals.
statement. Yeah, conditional. So we can solve to find out the maximum and minimum number
Mm-hmm.
in if you give several numbers. So you can find out the maximum or minimum numbers using
Great.
a method, or you can also use the uh, if else or if condition or if statement. So today we are going to learn how we can find out the maximum number or minimum number in using if else condition. Okay.
Okay.
So uh, if last day we will see you just
Mm-hmm.
greater than C,
Uh-huh.
then we can write big number. Then just
Wait. Okay. Now it's grammatically
okay.
correct.
You can write
Okay.
B, dollar sign B. Yeah,
Here we
same
go.
B. And then we also use if else like
Hmm.
if else. Sorry, else if, not if else. Then like we can condition here D. Then we can write
Hmm.
not need. No, wait.
So this way, you can
What is the
have
problem?
variation on the same thing.
We just also check another rounds
Aha.
in nested like D.
Aha. I
Then
see.
pensive, we can check,
Mm-hmm.
and we can check C.
Hmm.
C is greater than B. Then we, and in if else condition, inner we can also check
Okay.
and C D. Then we can write here the C and
Uh-huh.
also else if condition. Then here the D, I will select the D from D. If B C.
Okay.
Here the D.
Nice.
And last we can else we can write here invalid. Error. Okay. So we can run it now and we
Okay.
can see the result.
Let's watch what happens.
Nothing, nothing. Okay.
Shoot.
There's problem, I think. I need to check.
I need to turn
Is
off my aircon.
okay.
Over here where I live, it is summer. So now everyone is turning on the air conditioner.
Yeah.
So what went wrong?
Okay. Mm.
We've got the nested structure, we've got the brackets, we've got it all enclosed in the PHP.
Great. You can see. I think the nested when we nested, it's the problem. Okay.
Aha.
Basically, in if else, it's not working like this.
Hmm. So how do we fix this?
We can write like this. In conditional, it's the or if a or then D. Then we can write this. Okay.
Okay.
And we can avoid it. Okay. Now we can say.
Okay, great. See what happens. Press reload. I am the bigger number.
Okay, it's maybe the condition or
Nice.
conditioning problem. We need to check on response again. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
If B greater than C or B greater than D, then no, it's not or. It will be and condition because both are true. We need both are true, then we get the uh, exact solution. Not on
Uh-huh.
is true. So we use here the and, not or. Or means on is true, but we need two condition will be true. For this, we need the and.
Uh-huh.
So now we can check. Yeah.
Now it's correct.
Okay.
Very
So
nice.
we can also use the if else condition to solve any problem. Like if we have also used some other condition if else we already used, and we also use the Swiss condition in next video or next video. So stay tuned, no problem. We are going step by step.
Definitely. Okay, and that will be all for today. Thank you, Hassan, and viewers, join us next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.